So now that you have your smartphone connected to your LINKA lock, let's get your LINKA lock mounted onto your bike and get you ready to go right away. So in this specific situation, we have a bike that has existing mounting nuts built into the seat stays. So for this situation, we provided you with two M5 bolts that will work for fastening onto the bike itself. For this, you will need a hex head that's 4 millimeters, this is not included, to fasten that LINKA lock. So in this situation, we're gonna grab our LINKA, we're gonna toss it right over the wheel, including the fender, so we work with fenders as well. And we're going to align the slots on LINKA to the holes on the seat stay. And once we have an alignment, we're gonna grab our bolts and start tightening them in. So once you start tightening that, it'll take a couple of turns before it starts tightening it up. And then now you're all set. An alternative way to mounting LINKA lock onto your bike is using the supplied zip ties or universal mounts. In this situation, we can mount LINKA onto any standard seat stay approach that does not have any nut mount holes. So we're just going to grab our LINKA, we're going to toss it right over the wheel, and we're going to align the slots so that we have a little bit of an opening so we can slide in the tie down around the seat stay, and we'll see the tie down stick out from the other side. Then we're ready to start tying it down. For more information and a complete owner's manual, check out the website below. We hope you really enjoy your LINKA Smart Bike Lock and have fun riding.